You are highly lifted up, mighty God. Hi guys, it's your girl Evee. Welcome to Tasty and Fresh Kitchen, where we always prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients. So here you are with this beautiful, delicious and healthy salad recipe for Christmas. Okay, so let's go. So over here we are starting with the assembling. So I add my lettuce, cucumber, my onions. Then I repeat the process. Okay? So please note, you don't need lots of ingredients to make a simple salad. With this salad recipe of mine, I used just 4 ingredients and the result was amazing. It is great, it's healthy, and it is so delicious. In fact, everybody was asking for more. So now after adding my onions, I just top up with my eggs. Family, like I told you, this salad is on a low budget. You just need just a few ingredients and you are good to go. So at this point, I sprinkle my black pepper on it. You know I love black peppers. Okay, and ta-da! We are done. Just look at it. Just 4 ingredients and you are good to go. Okay, so please, this Christmas, prepare some delicious salad for the family. Okay, just follow this step-by-step recipe and you are good to go. So over here, I just top it up with my creamy salad dressing, of which I'll be sharing the link up there how I did my salad dressing. Okay, so I want to use this opportunity to thank all of you guys for the support. See who is at 5k subscribers. Oh my goodness, it's the doing of the Lord and it is so marvelous in my eyes. I couldn't have gotten here without you, family. Thank you so much. God bless you. If you are new to my channel, thank you and welcome. Kindly click on the notification button so that anytime I post a new video, you will be notified. Okay, just look at how beautiful and delicious our salad is. Oh my god, the papa. Please try it. If you like this video, just give me some thumbs up, like and comments. Okay, so as usual, I paired it with some jollof rice, beef sauce, some grilled chicken, and it was great. Okay, so I hope you try this. Thank you. See you. Bye bye.